Okay, this is the upstairs HVAC indoor air handler, and that's because I'm over here. I usually like to start downstairs and move up, and vice versa, and that kind of stuff, and go counterclockwise. But you know, I'm up here. I'm trying to maximize. Okay, this is a this indoor air handler. Installed in manufactured in 2017, I think. Evaporator coil was 2016. We got some leaks. Got some leaks right in here. That's our safety pan. A lot of water in there. A little bit of rusty water. Our primary drain line does not have a P-trap, and it's not insulated. We do not have a care and use manual. Our flue is sealed with yellow tape. Alright, we got leaks around the where the air duct is attached to the plenum. And we do not have a 30-inch service platform in front of this guy. And the gas line does not have a sediment trap. Coming along here, now we're going to our downstairs unit. Well, for one thing, this gas pipe is exposed. We should be dealing with that. That's for both of them. They're universal. Neither P-trap is another primary drain line that has a P-trap. Neither primary drain line is insulated. Both of them have the yellow foam. They're both properly supported. Neither one of them has a care and use manual. This one is not leaking though. And this one's a little newer here. I'm going to assume it's the same age as the condensing unit. Where are my carrier numbers? 2017. Okay. Now our air duct on the ground, on the floor in the attic. It can be on the floor in the attic if it goes perpendicular with the rafters. Not the rafters, excuse me. Well, actually with the rafters, with the ceiling joists. It goes perpendicular, but some of this isn't. And it's not supposed to have more than ½ inch sag. It's supposed to have more than ½ inch sag over there. It's supposed to have more than ½ inch sag. It's supposed to have more than ½ inch sag. Actually, as tight as this is, I don't like it. It's supposed to have 30 inches of unobstructed. As tight as this is, I'm used to seeing air duct that looks a lot worse. What is this? What is this? Just a piece of air duct laying up there. Okay, that was kind of scary.